Right, welcome. This is a video series on how to make money on this freelance marketplace called Legiit. And you get to learn it from me, someone who's actually done it before. I've sold around 500K in services on Legiit, so I know exactly how to do it and how you can do it as well. And in this video series, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money with this platform. There's just one thing, and I want to be fully transparent with you. I have been banned from this platform because I created my own marketplace. It's called Vetted with 3 T's, and we take 0% in fees. We focus on a more higher end or premium type of freelancer. So if you are a more seasoned and experienced freelancer, make sure to join on this link right here. I'd love to have you on. But if you're just starting freelancing, sites like Fiverr and Legiit work fine. Again, Vetted is more for a premium type of freelancer, both freelancer and client. The services are more high-end and the platform as a whole is more premium and bespoke. And just to end this intro, anything you learn with this video can be applied on Vetted or any other marketplace. So my goal with this is that you watch the videos and then actually go implement what you learned, ideally on Vetted, or you can do it on any other marketplace. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy.
Brand building. So this ties in with a bunch of stuff we already talked about, but I want to go over it one more time. So when you talk about community, we're talking about Facebook groups, Discord channels, Telegram channels, basically anywhere where you can have a group of people that can all interact with each other and with you, of course. So our goal with community building is to build a self-sustained community where people can interact with each other and have access to you. So say this is your funnel, and seems a bit complicated, but it's not. So let's start here at the bottom. So right here you have 10 people, okay? And these 10 people are people you can market to all the time because they're inside your bubble. In this case, for example, inside your Facebook group. They are inside your world now. You can upsell, downsell, produce content, engage with them. You can do anything you want. These people are part of your brand. They like you, they engage with you. Some of them are your customers for life. So anything you put out there, they'll buy it. As long as it is, of course, of high quality. But how can you get these people here? Really simple. So there's a bunch of things you can do. One of them is, for example, on your profile description. And we'll go over every single one of these. So you're basically funneling people to your community. In this case, I'm giving an example of a Facebook group, but you can funnel them to anywhere you want. You can even funnel them to an email list. And how can you funnel these people? So you can do it through your profile description. What I do here is in my profile description, I have a link to my website. I could even have a link to the Facebook group directly. So this is a touch point to get people inside my brand. Again, I'll have here all the social links as well. So these are all set. So this one, and of course I should have here another box about and I can include it here, of course, regarding social links, profile social links. Okay, this one is set as well. Then you can do it in your profile name as well. In my case, I have my brand name, so this is directly linking to my website. So people go to the website, which then in turn makes it so they're inside my bubble. Okay, that's yet another way. And of course, when a buyer sends a message, you can say on your reply, if you need, you reply to the question, and then you say, if you need any more help, you can join our community here of people doing X, and join me here at the link to your Facebook group. Okay, so that's yet another way to get people inside your brand. Then you have order acknowledging messages, which we've run through as well, where you can ask for the email and send them an email to join the community, or a link directly to the Facebook group, which we already covered. And the order delivery messages as well. You can include a link to your Facebook group, just like we talked about as well. So all of these small things, so all of these profile links, or the profile name, or the profile description, the delivery messages, the order acknowledge messages, the messages buyers sent you and how you reply to them, all of these will make it so that people will start to slowly coming into your funnel. So say 100 people come in from messages, order acknowledging ones, order deliveries, review replies, which we'll cover just here in a second. All these people, like 100 people come in, and say 10% of them become true fans. So all those 100, they all join your communities, but 10% of them become true fans. These are extremely valuable people to have beside you and trusting you and your brand, because like I said here in the beginning of the video, you can do this with them. You you can market to them to the end of time. And that's a great advantage that you want to have. You want to have true fans. Oh, and there's many more people that join here, the much higher this number will be. In regards to review replies, I'll have a video just on that, which is after this one. But what I wanted to teach with this video is that community is really important, that you should start building it, and the ways that you can use using Legiit to get people in your community funnel. So profile description, all of this. So if you are building a community, which you should, and if you're having trouble getting people in your community, you can try all of these to get people in. Again, if you need any help, have any questions, this is the support group for this course. It's facebook.com/groups/marketplace freelancer, and I will see you on the inside and on the next video.